This Mr. James' house right here. I only got 3 cents to my name. I need $1. Shit. Ooh. Let me see. I bet Mr. James got something in this other car right here. Boy, I found me $1. This gonna be on the pocket today. Oh shit! I didn't find me $1. I think I did. Oh shit! Still got 3 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna go Mr. James and see if he got $1 right now. You hear me? Woo.
Girl, you don't know about that, boy.
You ain't doing shit, Gershon.
You don't know about that. You got some moves. Show me what you doing in.
Hit me up, Gershon. Hurry up, hit me up. You know about that, Gershon? You know about that, Gershon?
He having a party, I bet. Let me see. Oh shit! What's up, Mr. James?
What the hell are you doing over here, crackhead, Daddy? Get your ass on!
I need $1.
We got shit! Get your ass! Get your ass out!
He couldn't eat nothing, John. He stole my $1.
Well, get his ass, Quan!
I got me $1.
Get his ass, Quan!
Ah, he can keep that $1, man.
I got you for that motherfucker right there! That's your ass now, motherfucker.
Miss James, I'm sorry.